Nothing as so now they can change the situation where they for the moment. Nothing as so now they can change the situation for the moment. Now a case on it. Government will take responsibility for arranging them accordingly. Now they be proud. Now they be proud. Massa, you don't know your story. Now they talk like talk them. Now they do all this stupid can't talk them. You know where to be that Cameroon. You know where to be that Cameroon. When I know where to be that Cameroon. Ma tell you not today if na no. Ma tell you not today if na no. Two countries they come for come make one. Even the frontiers themselves. Even the frontiers them. No, the agreement they be signing. Oh, they live inside today so. The agreement they be signing. The agreement they be signing. No, the agreement oh they live inside today so. We can't join with some country, and inside the country, not even get talk. Not even the second personality. Not even the third personality. Not even the fourth personality. Nani shame. Nani shame. Na pin the road die all. Nani shame. Pin the road die all. Na for beg massa. Man they live fine. The southwest and the northwest na fine this so. Na fine this so. Na fine this so. If you come over, me na go home. It means some toilet and toilet roll paper them. They never, you know, African. They no one learn sense. Can't country be that way. We not even the second personality, third personality na know the, fourth personality na know the, fourth personality na know the. When I be fit personality. One time I know that prime minister, you know, get no action for do am. Na photocopy where they just put them. If he talk with you, we concern we. If he talk with you before anyone talk with you, where it happen. If the can talk say, head of state have said, the head of state have said, the head of state have said, the head of state have said. Pobia, I don't tell you that I don't know. You born my village. You pay that village. You pay that village. Banga bakundu born am. And I tell you, get it to my word. Yes, get it to my word. Me some stupid idiot them. I can't tell you that somebody they don't live war, they don't live gun. And somebody they don't run, they don't live bush, they don't live bush. Now on propaganda that. Now so don't learn. Now so one thing on the French side for come arrange problem them. Now so the arrange problem. Now so the arrange problem. When there is a problem, you need a very good arrangement. If you don't know, let me tell you. Okay? If you don't know, let me tell you. Let me tell you today if you don't know. When there's a problem, you need a good arrangement. You wait there for that Cameroon, no, make I tell you today. When they signed the agreement before, Prime Minister be an Englishman. He was the second personality. You know it's me personality. That's after Pobia. He be now Prime Minister. We be for English Cameroon. But now they don't fool na lie na take una put inside rice, inside oil, inside beans, inside tomato, inside corn chaff, inside puff. Drink una le water. Not even the third personality. Now it talks so we have people we have leaders. Who's leaders? Prime Minister is a leader. Prime Minister can never be a leader. I'm a leader. I feel be leader of Prime Minister. Me I feel be leader of Prime Minister. Because I hustle it by myself to be where I am today. I'm called Willie Parry, the king of the king. This is me talking to you if you don't know. This is me talking to you if you don't know. Even second personality, I know the third personality, the fourth personality, I know the face country. When I want to make a decision. Now picking they die anyhow when I day for day. I'm a prime minister, the head of state have said, the bosses in the bushes. Now we don't can. If I not share this video, I just stop and also. I need to see a race 100. You have 70 people here. Just give 70 times 10. Yes, share the video. I want to talk. Maybe people they really understand. Maybe they party ven. I say we they party on we they party ven. Which I the vex na ya mami to cast me my bank cham. I greet all the guys them. I greet una. I give una 100 gun cafe. I salute una. Man can never change it in my mind. Say the vex what the vex so. Na true vex. I don't understand. Na true vex. Understand no? Yes. At this age, I believe say I don't see what you are going to see. The rest na dirty. The rest na dirty. Yes, the rest na dirty. The only last stage na for play for Olympia. After Olympia, that was the rest na dirty. I don't finish my career. Una fix it. They can fool na here. Na no one share them. Okay, na no one share. No problem. I already tell you what you want to tell una. I don't tell you what you want to tell una. See the stupid government. They think say they get sense. Go talk say no, make a foreign artist no can play again for Cameroon. That's on law be that. Foreign artists no can play again for Cameroon. That's on law be that. That's on law be that. They just make law anyhow. And at the council now, Prime Minister make a write them, talk about. That is your job. That is your job. You this SDF man. What are they calling a Joshua? What are Joshua? Joshua. Look, Joshua. You. Vraiment. You are just a. You are just a beggar. Joshua, you are just a beggar. Yes, you are a beggar because you be one of the biggest fool. Will make me. I believe one day when I hear you talk, I believe one day say you get sense, but the sense not there knowledge at all. You are only palmarès na say which are the parliament. I'm a parliamentarian. I'm talking to. Look, my friend, you know what you be. You know what you mean for be parliamentarian. You don't see what you happen for we can't country that again. For Senegal. You don't see what happen for Senegal. You don't see how you them come up for outside for make them move parliamentarian inside, make them move parliamentarian of prison. Kind of country the way people don't work at. You don't see Senegal arming them. You don't see how after they move them out of prison. You don't see how people they go salute them, for give them courage, for telling them. Can't country this way people don't want to come out manifest. They don't carry gun shoot them. Lawyer they want to come out, they carry gun shoot them. Oh man, the journalists them. They don't kill na picking them. Wazizi. No man if you talk for Wazizi. Who go stand out for you, Wazizi? Nobody can talk for Wazizi. Now you don't die now for free. But when I own I say no master, when I leave God, now come up for bush, when I come, you don't finish do propaganda. Look, let me tell you something. And if you hide them for my feeling for here, man, not tell una lie. Me man not lie una for na spirit. You know. You like it or not, you get to give cafe for my call and say that kind of man for Ayabato. Give cafe, no matter what you give cafe, it do it best. It do it best. I will get to support the best. Me, I support the best. Me, I don't get no fear of mankind. I support the best. Let me so it judge them for you come get and talk. Una come work at the shoot una. They kill una picking them, rape una picking them, burn una picking them inside houses them. Now not get not talk for just make the cash don't arrange problem. Now also now say make the boys and let the boys sit in the bushes, leave it the guns downsies. Now they now on Pamareda, make they leave the gun down after no my life just be normal. They don't kill picking the years, massa, we're picking they be fool. Una want call una boys them fools. Una want call una picking them fool because they turn up for una rights. They turn up take courage for una rights. Una want call them fools. You think man like will lead the parade will take it for granted. You are lying yourself. You are fooling yourself 100%. No one share this video. No share this video. No people know the. I let it talk what you have to talk self. When I share this video, and took if no more reach 200 now, more for 200 before I want to continue the video. Yes. I hope I know I don't mix with plenty. Now will lead the parade talk. The biggest upon the biggest. When I share the video, I the way 200 people there for the first. See me some people them. Give me some people them. When they call me, we need a Paris Massa. At their Massa, I do wait 200 people. It remain 100. When I share the video, just share, just play a share it. Just push a sharing button. Just push a sharing button and let's do it. It remain 100 people. Some foolish people there. When I feel saying play. And my countryman, my country people, they're my country idiot. Can't get people there and say Joshua, I'm here, I'm in parliament because I'm fighting for the right of the people. Whose right of the people? You beggar, you illiterate. Whose right? You are fighting for who people? For who? For who you fight? Now they call and name them, talk rubbish them. Look, this country, national so everything will be arranged. The time of God is coming. One day, I say one day, and one day is going to be one day. Share this video. It remain 90 people. Caricature them. When I share, I just want to share the video. Any man press the sharing button. Nobody asks them. Any man press his sharing button. One time and say with you. Now I can't learn more for live for this world. Any man share his sharing button. Chris. No matter what will happen, no matter what will happen, understand? Any direction we take them was so she done for one place. In our village. So man go run leave your house. When I share them, if not 200, I stop them. Probably another day. Now they follow with you. More listening the best music so far, the best music of this world so far. Means we make even French man confirm. The way the Paris the king of kings. No one knows that the best music so far. The best music so far.
When injustice becomes law, resistance becomes a duty.
Share the video, share the video.
One day, God go hear one prayer, that day. One day, God go hear one prayer. I say one day, God go hear one prayer,
Now share this
that day.
video.
One day, God go hear one prayer. Una dey for bush, una no get your code, that day. Una just pray.
No worries, Smarter Ultimate Film will by the time back on stage.
The day is Sabu show that you make me just pray. God go hear one prayer, sing with me. One day, God go hear one prayer, that you one day, God go hear one prayer.
I say remember 100 people.
One day, God go hear one prayer, that you.
I say make una share, una no pray the sharing button.
God go hear one prayer.
Na so e dey.
See how a woman dey deep on that is Sabu show. Begin the day, me no school again, mama. Who will it cry? I go cry again. Daddy, one day, God go hear one prayer. Daddy, one day, God go hear one prayer. I say one day, God go hear one prayer. Daddy, one day.
Phone na some phone now. I didn't see comment with themselves. I didn't see for the right self.
So painful for seeing one brother they kill another brother. Papa God, now you want to know this story. Now you want to know this story. My papa, what did happen for this place now? Hey, picking the day for push. They don't get water, oh, that you, then they see go. God go hear one prayer. We not getting house them. They don't born one house them, that you make me just pray, oh. God go hear one prayer, sing with me. One day, God go hear one prayer, that you one day, oh. God go hear one prayer.
Share.
I say one day, God go hear one prayer, that you one day, oh. God go hear one prayer. See how when they don't go once, they for some wrestle, mommy. School, mommy then they for bush, papa then they walk again. No, who go feed our picking there? One day, God go hear one prayer, that ye one day, God go hear one prayer. I say one day, God go hear one prayer, that ye one day, God go hear one prayer.
Na share.
The king then did die you, mommy then did die you. United Nations, just to lock him up.
We need a remix of Sabina. I'll play it for you.
Daddy send me soldier, that forgive your brother. Who go hear this story? One day,
when you share the buttons. Oh, this people there. Younger picking.
I say one day,
my friend, bro. The story that.
Merci Yves Kemayo, El Manager. Jacques moi.
L'Éternel est mon berger, je ne manquerai de rien. Gloire à Dieu, Maxero, champion.
Foundation.
Na pressure button. You should get again at least 30 minutes. And after I go put number in, I want call, you go call, go to talk. Okay, yeah, you don't stop. We will continue now. Now, I had a very good position where I was shooting.
Est-il certifié durable?
Now, get a good position where I was shooting. Langwa this langwa. Now, get a good position where I was shooting. Langwa on this langwa. Mapuso. J'arrive. Okay. I never understand this kind of people then. What I mean say, we are unintellectual then people then where they just remain now for their own belly, chop for their own self, and they fool the another population the way they know the way they not get into where they not get no man where you go school. Now their own life that. Una feel say they go kill what picking them, burn what houses them. Put what picking, someone picking they sit there for prison. For prison, innocent picking sit there for prison, they suffer, just suffer. Born what picking they like a charcoal. But we not get no body where we stand talk for we. We not get no body where we stand back up, wait we fight for. Wait we feel be unite for fight for our right. We want being a beggars and through our whole life. That means we will not be beggars for the age. More picking they can be the beggar people them again after. It will never happen now, massa. It will never happen now. Over my dead body. Over my dead body. When you be here, you look people, there's one they can't turn out. When I feel that the only solution, that the better solution that where government define now. So guys, they want to live in Ghana. So I can't tell now I be Muyoka fighter. I be this kind of fighter. I don't fight for this thing. Who be fair action for fight? When they don't be in a Pamares propaganda, you decrease your hate. You decrease your hate. They don't come fool some of you now. Look, you can't hate una umbrella them. So one day you can call yourself countryman, my country people, all the kind of stuff. The abatos, the Sakos, these people them. Now who fool na so? Who fool na? Who fool na? Who fool na? Say people they just stand up, they start something because of nothing. Even instead they start because of nothing, something will be for background way we don't start. Why the teacher they fair work up? Why the teacher they fair work up? Now what kind of government this way? Anytime people they work up, now they for carry gun, begin knock them, carry gun, they should shoot them. What happened in this? They don't get no solution. They don't get gun there for fight. Work at them. How we see for Senegal? How we see for Senegal? Not only for kill, they must kill at least 10 people. Yeah, for say make after they can't live and know they put them die for nothing. When I feel say what picking they go die for nothing, so for say no go look the Sakos them, they abatos them, the people that say more look them like a devil them. Moko look our own brother like a devil them. Moko support people them we will never know them. Better look at better you kiss devil way know and for kiss devil way never know. Yes. Me man no leona. Me man no leona. Me man no leona. Any man where you know say you come from that side. Or some of no one call them say look the face arranging problem. Saudi Cameroon maintain that flag for remember which way picking they don't pass through. For this country, places and they get their flag. But you need to deny say the face so you one flag. But everything get to come into normal. For say they arrange a problem. I no go make no man, no Ambazonian for hate his brother because say you want here say no massa, I need support all this rubbish. Look, you get right for support this rubbish. Yes, when dirty dirty for your in front door, you get to sweep them. You get to sweep them. When dirty door is in front door, you get only for sweep them. Yes. No go be here, they support people, them, they kill white people, them. People that they for they work with the government, they can't make a sin and they be God, and say that they be Jesus Christ. Because you get gun for your corner, if you say, because you get gun there, they protect you. If you say you don't be that Jesus Christ, you need to know Jesus Christ. You need to know Jesus Christ. I tell you now, no. That government, where they thief money for build stadium, they thief all money for build common stadium where go make pikin and play. Now the very government will go thief all money where they go send and say they build some of that villages where they don't burn them. Then that mommy they don't die. Oh man, now we go pay for them. Okay, maybe they put them for our guys their name. No, now our boys and they carry gun. It judge them, fool them, foolish people them. Now feel safe for people. It be very easy for some people for turn for carry gun because the people don't feel like life. Because the people don't feel like life. That will be come out in numbers. Will be come out in numbers for protects. They shoot you now. Picking they don't carry gun now for say no. They don't feel kill papa them. They don't suffer. They don't feel dreaming. But they gonna can't turn and just say master. They picking they make they leave gun for them. They leave gun for that. They don't do this. They don't do this. They don't do this. It be so easy for can convince you now. It be so easy for can convince you now. I wonder how when I be just remember inside the punishment for more than 40 years. It be very easy for convince you now. People then come into a marriage agreement with you now. They bring the country back into their country name. When I said when I maybe we can fall inside that foolish state, La Republic. That Republic being a name for the country, a name for their own country. They need to arrange everything so that it come to a normal now, so that everybody can know say yes. Now so we didn't have for a country where you get rules and regulation. Who want to live for some country where no get rules and regulation, and they want ask me for tell people, they for convince people them, say me they go hate their own leaders them. People there they feel stand for them talk. You decrease on the case on a head no afeno. Now the case on a head no afeno. Now I drink water for instance na shio. Foolish idiot them. I tell when I say for that country, will not be even third personality. That means say if you don't want to talk about that country, Englishman will be even third. No say first, second, third, fourth. Would they fit down a prime minister and across the prime minister? So it in a fit position. He no get nothing for talk. He no get nothing for talk. He own talk. He own work for that government. Now for can read. Which way they tell me can read. It just be like a picture. Now who support for big picture? Now who's supposed for big picture? Because nobody can talk for now who's supposed for big picture. Who tell you say if you call yourself Ambazonian and you say you support hunting. If you even you where you talk call yourself black, you be Ambazonian. Because the story no will ever finish. See, at this particular point of time we lost people and because of a particular struggle. It no will ever finish. And I want I'm going to thank the people that the leaders them. The one that they prison. We do not have to come out. The one that they prison do not have to come out. No one can talk for a year because now I be come out in numbers. Now the feel say go men one day finish. Now lie no one day go finish. When I become out, when I become, I become looking at, I become looking, I become laughing and laughing because I don't know what you mean revolution. I don't know what you mean revolution. So one day she don't dream in body, just laugh. Massa, better man just be so yeah, better. Una life na better. Una life na better. Better man chop cake than for chop yam. Better man do this than for do this. Now on play. Now on position that. Now on position that for life be that. Now on position for life be that. Now life na beggar. They can't sonara. Sonara when our own, they put up all man for day, they put up different people for that for sonara. Una begin and then they want for CDC farm. Una can't enough for talk say no asa discrimination not day no. Discrimination not day for that country. Discrimination not day for that country. Una don't create una hate. Una lost sense. Sometimes I smoke. See me fool them, massa. Now I don't bring a propaganda that you want to go for any Facebook. You meet one for day. This man don't leave. This man don't come for bush. When I feel say na so you go finish, I don't tell when I say the people there they start and they don't go finish and so easily. Many are called, but few are choosing. But if no. As you go, someone come. As you go, someone come. As you go, someone come. Now so it dey. If it now only the population where they go use them for finish the struggle, it will never finish. You no go ever finish. If you now so you no go ever finish. You no go ever finish. I need learn now. Small time when I will see now. Now take into my words because when I never talk, I never teach on a play. Now take into my words. Small time before me. When I will hear what you go happen. When I will hear what you go happen. Now our eye they will go get them for cry. Thing they go happen. Thing they go happen. Yes, thing they go happen. When I want to for places, I say no master. But that man just make it dream mimbo. Actually, dream and mimbo. Now so people in the face buy the vex. Now so they plan to some kind for some evil at them for do them. And they go finally do them. They go finally do them. Now who they don't cry while picking the killer for Kumba? Who they don't cry them? Who they don't cry while picking the killer for Kumba? Who they don't cry do for Gabu? Who they don't cry do for Pingi? Who they don't cry who them for Bamenda? You never finish. Make sure don't quiet because the fear some lion where you can't swallow all man. Country will not get no respect. People say in a two countries. Even the Pope ya second time after talk say this the boy absorb we or the boy suck we like water. Now some of na millions I don't understand. Even the president of the country can't talk for can't talk rubbish. I don't understand. Kind of stupid people than this. They want force you. That means some English people they take their palmarès. They want to force another one. They for hate their own brother. They will hate their own brother. So all our picking they for prison. All our papa they for prison. Una on the when they go for hospital, they handcuff them for bed. They are on the when they go for hospital, they leave them inside white bed sheet. You need a less sense. You need to learn when something for na hate. Slave trade of finish since. We see live cancer carry today. Slave trade of finish since. So when they can't push me for here, talk about rubbish. Una feel na me, una feel the fear some man. Una feel the fear something for this world. Look me, I feel fear something for the world again. Me I feel fear something for the world again. So na feel as we talk so maybe na fight man the fight. This is fight. Because if anything come to an end, all we if they say the one can't catch people then for Europe, they can't catch up on me too. Now if they can catch me, they can't catch me. So when you start something, you know play with that, you know how to continue. Foolish caricature them. Una own them, they go hospital, they handcuff them for bed, they die with the handcuff for bed. Shame they do now. They are on them, they go hospital, they put them for white bed sheet. Una need to learn sense. Now they can't fool, now gonna hate una own brother because they don't turn a fight for una. They fight for una. Say no man no mandate you. No man no mandate you for fight. Some man be mandate president for France. That be England. Some man mandate for fight. He fights because a country. He fights because he like a country. Not be able to support your own brother. You should not quiet. No man in the force to serve. No man in the force. No man in the even call you. Maybe na power. Maybe na power. Maybe na power. When something pass you, she don't quiet. But they force inside. So when they don't take a blessing in their daily job. Their daily job. Okay, you, where you call yourself, say you've been an ex-combatant. You just say you be ex-combatant, you don't fight. Okay, now you don't fight. Now they don't can take you now for saying make you fight now your own brother. Who is the fool inside? Now you be fool. Now you be fool. Now why there was some of this idiot I tell you say if you say don't just any fight again, she don't quiet, cover your team up. Cover your team up. Now they don't can take now they be unable for arrange their problem. Now so now the very una wait how the thing go don't finish, they must keep on because they know say una be bad see them. When this struggle go don't finish, now they take una self so na dey for na side now. Now they get to keep all una because they know say una be bad see them. Yes. Now know what to be mean, una know what to be government. Now they don't job pretty for them. I want to say if you say you need to fight again, she don't quiet, you may a kaolo or you vanish. Now the only thing that if you help you for your life, or you vanish. If you not vanish, you understand say cocky will not go and go see pudding. I tell you friend. Now make advice now, advice now. When you say you need fight again, take your tears. She don't look till the work. Leave the people the way they get to arrange the problem. May they arrange the problem. No carry a long mob. May they say now you want can be okay. You want to be star for Facebook because you can't tell say you don't fair fight. You don't fair fight. Now you don't leave them. You say you be God. So if you say that they will appreciate you, you don't know. Say for your back, they just look and they laugh and laugh because you are a corpse. You are a corpse. You will come out your mob, they talk rubbish anytime for Facebook. I'm ex-combatant. I did this, I did it. Choosing a palmarès. For example, say you don't keep people there. You do this, you need to know because they keep fooling you. You lie yourself. You are fooling yourself, and you continue to fool yourself. Yes. God will call you say my country people. Some more dirty swine them, idiot them way. God don't permit them. Now for Europe, they don't can get small name. No, for Europe, they don't can get small name. So people them small can't have talk about the party. Now if they announce that today will get the name. When I ask people, they may tell about me. When I call people, they ask me, they tell about me. Dirty rat them. Dirty rat them. I dey tell you now, I never feel no. Now me, look at me, I be ground willy. I feel advise any man. When I ask people, they may they tell you now, who be willy de Paris. When I feel say for Europe, I can get name, who be de Paris. Now my name take plane, come for this place, for this Europe they too. When I feel say, they will just come finish the problem. So, anybody just a dreaming, it just can be a storytelling. Yes, it can be, but I need to make the arrangement because my village, they go pay my village. Because when time to come, myself, I'll go challenge that government for Cameroon day. I go enter that Cameroon. I see how they kill human being. Jesus Christ, they be suffer, they suffer. Me, I will see how they kill the human being. Now the Christians are not know me. Make the Amazonian be a story. Make it be a even storytelling. Understand? But some of we are proud. Even you, when you don't fight the fight, live. I'm proud of you. But the only advice I feel going to say, you get to find a way for vanish because they go ball under you. You my petit frère, they tell you, if in a matter for done, for wiseness, a wise pass all now. They will use you now, do what you do. So after, they will take you now, make jollof rice. Yes, I tell you now. If you decide say you need to fight again, yes, you need to fight again. Make it remain in the fight again. Yes, she don't quiet. Maybe now you be government. Maybe now you be the government. When you come here and now say you must do anything, you must fight. You need fight with it now. What will be a fight? What will be a place now? You need expose yourself. And when you make feel bad, some of the perica them, they even there. Look, some of them not even there in contact with the boys and they for Kondengi, where they for prison. We are picking them, they prison plenty. Innocent souls them, where they don't go catch them from womb, from Bafut, from Pingin, from everywhere that they Kondengi day, where they suffer. Who go pay the charge of all those children? Who go pay the charge of all the children? When I say we finish so. I'm just talk for 30 minutes. I want to 30 minutes, it remains 20 minutes. So I'll put my number. Anybody want call, Moku discuss, make it call Moku discuss. Because they say some people they ref here, they say the blessing no one talk. 3309 35 1086 5747. Anybody want call for say Moku take the temperature, make it call, no fear, na baba. Na me be baba. Na never know. Sometimes they talking about the party. See me this is judge them. Someone of una just enter na Yaoundé na yesterday. Una corner for WhatsApp. Una enter Yaoundé na yesterday. Una never enter for that Yaoundé na ask us who be bully the party. Who be bully the party? Me and make even people the way they for government fear. They fear me. Na today they can't talk. Me na today I can't talk. When I question na head. I don't talk say those people, the way they burn my village, they will pay for it. Go up, come down. I will take them to the highest place of this world. They will pay to that village where they burn and Banga Bakundo. Una bear it into my word. I need talk for nothing. I pick him for Abraham, for Moses. Now my phone number, that anybody want call, talk, make it talk. Anybody want call, make we discuss, make we discuss. So one day they need call on terrorists. The government, their propaganda na waiting. Now for call any man terrorist. Now better propaganda that. Now for call any man terrorist. Now better propaganda that. Even the people them for the world, they need to call the boys them terrorists. Now they can't call them terrorists. If you will be ex-combatant, you call man where it is fight again, say terrorist. That means say you are a terrorist. You know what it mean terrorist? That means you say you are a terrorist. You know no self say you are a terrorist, but you are a terrorist. You are a terrorist. And if you say terrorist, you were there for this, you dey saved. Your life na charcoal. Your life na charcoal. Your life na charcoal. So you convince man may leave him. Why you can't fight for you? Look, that way bomb explode for some place. That people are there for that place they die. That way bomb explode for some place. That people are there for that place they die. The struggle starts for day. Who dey for you? Now why that will remain for you? You understand? Any man carry a cross for a play day. Any man carry a cross for a play day. When I say after again, we can't turn up against Yahweh, police will enter Southwest, knock people, then beat people there anyhow, molest them anyhow. So now today, when one can talk, say, Honorable Wemba, 2 do for Parliament, na dirty. 2 do for Parliament, na dirty. Because I need support now people them. Look, only that 2 for Parliament, so they can't today, so the international well known. Only that 2 for Parliament. That talk we talk of Parliament. When injustice becomes war, resistance becomes a duty. And I know when I go into that word, when I learn them again, before I want to know. Before I want to know, it judge them, they rape una picking them, they beat una, burn una houses them, do now they can't beg again. Aye, my brother, I never see this kind of dirty rat them for my life since they born me. They rape una picking, they burn una whom my mommy, they will belly, they burn the inside houses them. Born picking the like a charcoal. Do every bad thing for this world. Now they can't beg again. Say no, now I do mistake. Instead for knock Hannah for table, say how no, our boys are out, we have to arrange this problem. Fine. Now don't know how for now for table. Now the fish you don't too quiet, cover on the team up. When I hear get can talk. Yes. Answer my number that I might want talk for you. Make it come up to talk. More leave this thing for you. I know like when I call the number. Now call the number, make you talk. Any man want talk for you, make it talk, make you talk. Make it talk, make you talk. But make cannot let una. Finally, the phobia go call the people them. Make the shit don't arrange the problem. Even if in a phobia, any man, they go do them. Make they solve the problem once and for all. So that in the generation to come, any man not suffer again, the dirty suffer, we will not suffer. So people don't come born with villages and they can't keep beg them. Me, I can't beg them. Me, I the artist. I fit turn up, talk say yes, not true, but comment me, I'm not there for that rubbish. I'm not there for that rubbish. I don't say suffer. I know suffer. I know what it means suffer. So if today God will make me say, I feel even try buy even a charcoal, even a blockade for 3 people them. That means a God na machine. That means a God na machine. Now many people don't die, we don't even be able for buy that one. People that don't die, we don't even carry 1 AK. People that don't die, we don't even do nothing. Mommy them, big mommy, they just move for village, where they don't all man don't run live there, where they die because of sorrow. We not get to know today. So that country, now 2 countries where they can't be one. That country, now 2 countries, they can't be one. And first personality get to be Frenchman. Second personality get to be an Englishman. That one, if it get to happen, and it will happen. Otherwise, the boys continue your jobs and do what you are doing. God will bless everybody. Do what you are doing. If it is fight. Those who have courage, who have to fight. Fight the fight. It's a fight to fight until the last man fall. That no one has what you say last man fall. It judge them because they don't go. Even time when this struggle start, Limbe, Boya, na place they still there as they dey. Why they need to go finish am for the place where they get to go finish am? Okay, the people there dey for that village is them. That one name na Cameroon. That one na close to Nigeria. Na the lay right that the for call. Na call na the number that. Na call talk for them and listen now. Idiot them. Tell I don't be for my own. Tell I don't be for my position. So now be very careful. Especially when I see me, I don't be so I don't read so. Now be very careful. Dirty caricature. How kind of people like this? We not get no leader. We fit turn up talk for the people them. We not get no responsible man. We can't kind of for Joshua them. Joshua now be Joshua. That one fit help who dog. If he help who for this world? If he help who? If he help who? The SDF. What the SDF get them get for Cameroon Day? SDF. What they get for Cameroon Day? They don't mix the face like charcoal. Mix them. Can't leave them. A part of Bamenda and Southwest. What the SDF get them again? They didn't get two tier. They didn't get 2 tier. On the bomba, be made boucan. Nobody died to the foul. He died the foul. Leave Ambazonia. He leave the picking and suffer. Okay, be believe now for yourself. But if forget for no say, now God get the final judgment day. If forget for no plenty in them, say now God get the final judgment day. Now who the call so? Hello?
Hello, Willie.
Yes. This is Willie the party on them. Now who?
The question I want to ask you now, see.
You want to ask me a question? Or you want to talk?
Exactly.
Ask me a question now.
200 years ago, 300 years ago, some person for that land be talk English or French.
Perica, that's also you. And now only you the call. If they say they don't send no for whether now you cannot defend, you be defender for wait you. First of all, you need to be Englishman. My I tell you. I don't say you be Bamileke. You need to be Englishman. So I just tell you and tell her one time. So you don't get nothing for talk for this place.
Now,
yes, you don't feel you don't talk since you don't talk about background. You don't talk plenty time them. And you don't make me know so you don't be Englishman. You be Bamileke man. So anything if you do for you is an advantage of nobody. Let me just tell you, make you understand one time. Now why that way last time you send me message and never answer you. You didn't understand me? Now that I say message I never answer you. Because if you want for talk make a list in you. Tell me what you want to talk. Don't ask me a question.
Okay, anyhow, what I want to talk now say.
Yeah.
The development for Southwest don't be 100% destroyed. And if you be an Amber supporter, una fit create another means where una fit fight for una goal, we una not actually destroy picking your school and the common life for people. Because I explain for you, every society for one day it get like kind of 1 million of activities because only you the job, you the drink water, you activities and that. So now no take just one activity for destroy the whole country. So if una fit do una Amber thing where una move picking your school away from it, una never meet the society still don't find another way for get una independent. That was no problem. Because today now people that you there for France, Ambazonia people they go for America, they expect to be an American. So that time for people for the fight say Abinadima, that time don't actually pass.
You don't understand. I not cause you say you be Bamileke. Me I not cause you. You get to be Bamileke. It's over. But this one what they make an answer.
Who takes that Bamileke?
Now you tell me. Now you tell me. Now you tell me say you be Bamileke. Now you tell me. Now you tell me.
I
You
don't
laugh,
tell you
baby.
so because I don't say if I tell my identity.
No, now you tell me. Maybe now because you talk English where you feel say you are a Southern Cameroonian. You're not a Southern Cameroonian. I need this platform to talk about Southern Cameroonian. Okay?
We get for support a developed society. That is what's supposed to be important, really, the Bahrain.
Your own side, your own side where you come out, if it be developed. Your own side where you come out, if it be developed.
We will be a citizen for the world. Our job, now me and you to use WhatsApp. The person where you create them, you know the language we be talking is important. Now you there you use Facebook, is important. No man come on not supposed to be important. If you been a legend today, now what you feel offer to the society. Now what way are they still help for explain for you say you feel the educate your brothers and say una fit achieve the una goal, una not cause destruction. Black man is so behind. We don't need time for the destroy our own society in the name say we want
but now who did destroy the society?
We need a parade.
Now who did destroy the society? Answer me. Answer me. Now who did destroy the society?
Brother, they say that statement where they claim say Pope they have declared war. Pope they are not declaring a war. You know French. Pope they are not declaring a war against the English community.
You know what you mean?
Declaring against the against the people
what do you know? What do you know about? What do you know? Now, brother did the call. Now Clovis did the call. What do you know about the declaration of war? What do you know about declaration of war?
If some one man wake up talk today say he don't talk say France go lost some part, Paris or Bordeaux no go be in France again. Now what will that man not declare? This man say
people that they talk at any day. People that they talk at any day. Sometimes you nothing know. Go read French. People they talk every day for year. Where Monaco wants to pray for France. Since go read and find.
Now what I do?
Go read and find.
And they go lucky. Some man go say and they go lucky me say
but est-ce que les dynamiques they no lock some man? The one that they don't lock for French Cameroon.
Now what they just now declare one why they try for grand I no say grand. Not just the argue because argue when some perimeter talk to a make sense. Talk say yes, perimeter don't talk to a make sense. Now you don't know what example for Monaco and for Bordeaux whatever. But I just say if some man go declare they go lucky. You know me say because say 1 million people talk something me say right.
But now but now you tell me say Pobia now you make me know say Pobia not declare war. Say Pobia not declare war. Say Pobia not declare war for Saudi Cameroon. He no declare war. He no declare war
against English community.
And what he be make Honorable Weber go to for Parliament. If he never na war problem declare. What he be make Honorable Weber.
It's not if any man your commoner can't talk something, me so will consider say right. Did you say who be with
so you want tell me say so you want tell me say so you want tell me so you want tell me say so you want tell me say Honorable Wemba no be get right na Joshua get right.
If he be get right, who say mami dey for village when if you think about the mami there, you know go high for grand listen when we talk. Think you know when they call you leader, you need to think only about yourself. You know me say because say we need to move assume I should be president today. So because you know get eye problem, you know open eye hospital.
But you don't get
malaria, you know
since this month, you dey come since this month start, you dey always call me president. It be like say I will be a president, sir. Because
now they tell you say now you don't fuck up because you join the door people and they repeat that for you.
So now you clever. You never fuck up. See small picking the way they don't burn the ACD. Because your part they don't sell land. They for somebody come for you to come go small school, help your family. You know one come to get people and say you don't fuck up. What do you know about the revolution? What do you know about people fighting for their right? What do you know about people standing up for their right? From them, ma take Clovis. Clovis, the call now so. Ma take Clovis. Ma take different caller. The periphery so now some periphery way he respect me fine, but I understand the position. But the money for Southwest, he farms them, they farm them, maybe they don't run because all of this war. But I rather tell them I say good war no day. Good war no day for this world. No man no like war and good war no day. No war no day where you want for right and for Bible like that one a Clovis. No, not Clovis. Hello?
Yeah, really?
Yes, Papa.
Yeah, man.
Now, how for you, no, my brother? I did hear you, I did hear you. You did hear me?
Yeah, I said.
Yes, but try slow down another volume now.
Okay, just 1 moment. So, my slow.
Perican, are you again?
Yeah, you hear me now?
I did hear you, yes. Go on, I did hear you.
Okay. Yeah, I said I want to act now for this guy who just come on with cause.
Yeah.
Yeah, I want to just talk and say, this struggle is so complicated because first and foremost, we talk English, not
be all be sounding Cameroonian.
That is it. That is it. Because any idiot will come turn out to say, my country people there will be brother.
Exactly.
No. We're not confused.
Exactly.
We're not confusing them inside this place.
Exactly. People in the way they talk pidgin English, that me I used to way that bastard them who do them
Voila.
the way they don't grow inside Southern Cameroon. So for that one, no one will call the talk against we way be indigenous Southern Cameroon. But I want to talk about this family for the day for ground zero. Since when the war start, really, whenever you say Amber Boy don't go cast some francophone man or some family he grow for Amazonia, killer. Whenever you no side, whether na for Libya, whether na for Bamenda or for whose side, whenever you say Amber Boy don't target some family, came out when a francophone go kill them.
Yeah.
But they do well armed with. If they want to engage one against family, go ahead and stay inside Saudi Cameroon. They go engage them. No, be say we don't know them. We know them.
No. But you know say.
No be against Bamileke.
But you know say we never fit for that side no because the war them now so the Bamileke na our brothers.
Yes, that's not one try to talk. So I don't want people for this guy where they call a francophone guy the way they not feel the pain when we feel them.
That is it.
Yes, they don't feel that pain because their ancestry not be from that land.
That is it.
So they not feel the pain.
That's
they
correct.
not take we like they not consider we like brothers.
Yeah.
I want to say this marginalization where they cry so this speaking the way they grow up where they be francophone the way they grow up for Southern Cameroon they never feel that because if you go for your own, you want to find work where you be Anglophone, where you talk English, where you be originally Bamileke. You go for your own, they go put your dossier there. They go see your name because for that country, you know say if you call Manway come up
Bamileke,
we go know.
I bet talk for 1 minute. Drop for 1 minute. I might take different man. I bet put it back call.
Okay, no problem.
Okay. Might take different man. Hello.
Hello, Grand Willie.
Yes.
Actually, salute, my brother.
Mutually throw you salute. This is the king of the king.
Inshallah. I said, the two me at work share talk now, so I always emphasize about this struggle. This struggle don't be a very good struggle, but now things are don't turn to a different level. Where it always can like they can talk all about like probably like why they talk about the way the crimes, the atrocities, the way Amber Boys they commit and why.
Amber Boys they never ever commit. Amber Boys them. Amber look at make I tell you something. Make I tell you something.
If you open
Make I tell you something. Make I tell you something. I not feel like atrocities them. Understand? Eh? Yeah, I feel one say if you be say God help say make the war finish. That is two. I will be okay with it. Okay. But the problem when I get a person and I say. If my brothers they don't walk up because they don't can rape my picking them, because they don't can kill, burn my house, burn my village, but every my brother walk up.
Burn villages, yeah.
Me and Nephi be against my brother. That is it. I don't know whether you understand me.
Clear.
Voila.
I get to.
Voila. When your brother fight some fight, you first fight the fight. You first fight the fight with your brother before I actually say my brother. What will really happen?
Wait, gang. If you talk say Amber Boy they commit crime, that means I'll just talk say you they out of the.
No, now say you want to take up my mouth. I need be analyst for crisis. I need be analyst for crisis.
Brother.
Yes.
See, when something go on, a fine more face the fact. If the man do wrong, don't say this man do wrong. When I call it to order, you do understand?
That is it. You get the point. You get the point. But make I tell you something. Now me I dey live na inside majority. Okay? I dey live na inside majority. The majority means say waiting. If you don't want go to 10 of the crime system, maybe Amber don't cause 3 of them, 7 na the opposite side. You understand me?
I get you.
Yes. So they get their own thing they don't do away be wrong. But so fast now my brother, I'm not there for you for judge them. That is it all.
Grandma tells you.
Yes. So I want to take different man. Drop. I want to take different man. People never call.
When I never like to hear the truth, that's a simple thing.
But you, I say make you drop. Make you drop. Talk your belly. Drop.
When man wants to talk truth.
Where anytime I say.
When I just want to say, make people the old here now.
Why anytime we I want to talk for some man which way me I feel. Una ever to say una no one, una. Me now will lead the party.
Okay, you don't talk your own way. If you want one, I mean different man talking.
But at the listing, you never say make it drop different for the call.
Because you know why listen to it to me to I want talk now. Because you know what I mean the population here with me I want talk.
They listing you, never say make it talk, they listing you.
But why? Yes, why you tell me say man drop the call?
No, I said take 1 minute. Take 1 minute. Drop your talk.
Okay, then leave me I talk there. After I don't finish talk now, if you drop me there, you continue the talk.
Voila, I listing you. Talk now.
That way this struggle will start for 2016. You know, say and say
talk louder. You talk small. Talk louder.
That way this struggle will start for 2016. You know, say and say majority of the population will deal with the Amber Boys, but today where are the population? All man the back off because of the kind thing the way they see them. Amber Boy no catch you, they ask 4 million. No be say them say they kidnap people, take ransom. Even a Tapang iPod can start make live show. Other kidnapping of bush followers and so on. No be one time, no be two times.
A beggar, look at a beggar. You know the pineapple way to say a beggar have no choice. You know the pineapple way to say a beggar have no choice. You know the pineapple way to say a beggar have no choice. But you know the pineapple way to say a beggar have no choice. You know the pineapple.
You know so.
Eh?
Because even the so-called fighters, one and a few marshal or whosoever, they are picking the day they go school for Douala and Yaoundé. Even Sako come the so-called president. He come can they congratulate free marshal picking say pass GC for Douala. While other poor villagers, the farmers, they are picking the day for villagers. Then if you go school.
Now what do I take say a beggar have no choice? A beggar have no choice. You know the pineapple? Ma take Clovis. Clovis Wangi talk. No first ma cut Clovis. Clovis get plenty things they talk for you.
Hello.
You just I don't say now you.
Hello.
I don't say now you talk now the listing.
Yes. I want ask you. You say Amber Boy never ever commit atrocity.
Where you ask me a question.
I ask you a question, then after I go talk. I get question or ask you, then maybe answer.
I don't talk say. Two I don't say.
Yeah.
I need be Georgia or I need be my analysis for crisis.
Okay, now me I want tell you now.
I never finish answer you.
Okay. Yes. Okay. Talk at the end.
I don't talk say. If the atrocity them the day over 10, and but they don't cause 3, and the opposite side don't cause 7. Where it means say they are on too much.
Why you get for talk so?
But because the numbers are they in line. The numbers are they in line.
Willie, I want to ask you, you ever see Amber Boy with your eye? Since when the fight start, face to face, you never see them?
You, my petit frère, I don't ever see you face to face.
You don't ever, I mean, since when they fight, I mean, now when they fight don't start for 4 years. You don't ever meet Amber Boy face to face, you don't talk.
But for some make I talk with Amber Boy, what you go there, na day for them.
Willie, me, I want to tell you now, like, one of the picking the way they don't commit atrocity them. If it atrocity it don't happen 10, Amber don't commit 9.
Government.
Okay, I want to go to one example. For Bui, where they buried 39 picking they alive. Now they bury them.
You ask me? No, you before they.
You ambassador. I know they for interim government. No, I want ask not
who they for interim government? Who they for interim government?
You know why you bacho?
Me I be willing the party.
Listen, I tell you, Ganfe, I want to teach you where to be Amber where you don't know because they can't teach you not teach you not because any Amber.
But you can't teach me. It's kind of for school there for here. Ask me give your opinion. Give your opinion.
I want to tell you, anyone when Willie. You know what for hear the truth because me.
Whose truth you want tell me? Give your opinion. You give your opinion.
Okay, Willie the party. I want to ask you second question again.
Yes.
You talk say Cameroon, Saudi Cameroon, we don't ever be a country. I want to ask you say 3,000 years ago, before the coming of Britain and France, Cameroon be the talk English and French.
So you know history so you know history so before you know be lecturer for some school. You can't ask me whether Cameroon. You can't tell me about 3,000 years ago. 3,000 years ago. That means say you surely get rich.
Will it the party? You don't say no one for learn no. You be very stupid. You be can't fair way. You know one
So
for learn.
you don't come for here one coach me say I don't want learn. So you go school past me. That means pay for another wish.
Will it the party? You don't miss roads for join. I'm on a ballot.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't miss
Thank you very much. You don't finish. You don't finish. Because for the call.
Will it wait?
You don't finish.
Wait. I never finished now. What did he?
No, because you don't stand up for coach me. If you start coach me, I will stop him because you know the argument in the game.
Okay, wait.
Me, I never coach you.
I never coach you again. I never coach you again now.
No, coach me self. Coach me, but coach me say I talk. I don't get clear for coach man. Me man coach me. I don't get no problem.
I don't ask you, sir.
Yes.
I don't ask you very simple question.
Yeah.
I want to call you one atrocity and the other. Now, maybe I tell you something. If you don't know, you see Amber.
Yeah.
There is no general for Amber, but they will never kill a fighter or don't kill her. Inside Kumba Hospital, no, they born am na Amber born am. Cha killed 39 picking the bury am alive. When a ADF fighter them, the very ADF go for Batibo, now close to 18 massacre. More tell you something, we lead the Paris French man never kill Anglophone man at how Anglophone don't kill Anglophone.
Okay.
Maybe I tell you, maybe you know that very well. Wait whether the fight am not be not independent, not topical terrorism and business. Make me I tell you something where you don't know what will happen for ground. When the years until they call you. So listen, you know very well, say me I believe you are there for the truth. Really, me I tell you something. You see Amber na Balok. Amber na the worst ever happen for the ground. I don't be inside, tell you which way they.
Why you enter inside?
You know why I enter inside? I go put your fight, I go tell you know good. Well, you get time, me I talk.
Talk no. Now me I don't take you. I don't see say na you. Now I take you.
I enter inside because I was misled. Because I be feel say I go change Cameroon. I be feel say we go get a better government. I be feel say Amazon and get some good thing for give we. And maybe ever know say na very bad people. They get evil agenda. The bad part, the so-called people that they feel say more feel like say freshman. We cannot tell you Amazon and wicked pass any human being on earth when I Anglophone them. Make me I tell you, man.
And where you be one? And where you be one of them?
Yeah, I be part of it. Yeah, I be part of it. I let it tell you.
So
I
now,
was part of it.
So now you don't be a part of people the way they against them.
Because in a bad thing, no matter be against them, a bad thing they do, they accuse it over and over. Ask yourself, say why be say boy they surrender every day? Ask yourself that question.
Who don't surrender? Don't say you don't surrender. Who don't surrender? Who don't surrender?
Who be Nambere? Who be Nambere?
Eh?
Who be Nambere?
Nambere na you know.
Who be Godi?
Okay, Nambere no na you. Nebi ni ya papa. Nebi ni ya papa.
You know
Nebi ni ya papa.
No, surrender. I want to ask you.
But you call me people the way they don't pay una make una come distract people them. You call me their name them. They don't pay una. They don't make una as a group for come fool people them. And then for carry una come back. They want come get them say people they live. But why the thing never finish? Okay, as you don't finish though, make I go she don't quiet 1 month. Yes.
Willie, she don't quiet. So she don't quiet. Willie, I tell you what to be.
No, petit frère, don't tell me say she don't quiet. You got to respect me. You got to respect me. I need to coach you. Don't tell me say she don't quiet. No, tell me say she don't quiet. You didn't have my phone. You did for my life. Okay, I'm gonna take different man now. Because I don't leave petit frère make me not talk. You get lucky for talk with the party. Now locking for hello. 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 Now locking for same man. You get locking for talk with me. Talk more talk sense. Never get tell me say idiots. This guy, you need the worker. You need the worker. Then I call him. I the call Perica. You my petit frère. When I see you, I take you because I know say you want talk. You want pass your message. So don't make say you want talk for this man don't call no. This man the particular man don't call. No, the particular man don't call. I not take it again. Hello? Hello? Nai. No, you already talk. I not take you again. I not take you again. Better man take different man. Take man way no have talk. I think that people there don't know have talk. I think that people there don't know have talk. I need to take people there already talk. The one can begin the destroy us again. Hello? Hello?
Yeah, hello?
Yes, slow your volume down outside, please.
Yes, now we need to party it
This
up.
is Willie the Party. Amber boy, na me.
Yes. Yeah, okay. I don't know you come up for talk with some loser.
I get kind one here they call for you. Na Maperika na Clovis we be keep fight with the number.
Yes. But how grandfather, how you go remind you to talk that kind of person when I lose them?
All man get right for talk.
That man now is in a hungry man. He be say BB Amber. You understand?
Yeah.
He be say BB Amber. So he no pass you. So he want to tell you about Cameroon. That say Cameroon, we don't be na Cameroon for Indonesia for the time for German.
3,000 years.
Cameroon talk na German.
3,000 years.
The Republic talk na German.
You know, kill me, oh. 3,000 years ago.
No, ask the he say history Amber. He don't kill how many people? How many people we kill him for Iran? Now hungry and you know say in the langa fly follow the mind of a grave no. Now say you go into a grave. Yes.
Okay, Papa.
No, to be sincerely, because if you talk say Amber na mistake, they be fully, they be brainwashed. In the shame was talk say they brainwash because Amber, you don't know, he at the age, they brainwash na 17 years because he never been matured. They brainwash na 16 years because he never been matured. They don't brainwash your whole man when if you go above, if you go to 40 years, they brainwash it.
Na Perika.
No, that's not Perika, that's not Langa. Tell us, yeah, who said the year I talk? Tasting a Langa.
Ma, take
that's not Langa. Mango, Langa. The man put that.
Ma, take different man too, Papa.
They will follow person in the grave.
Ma, take different man too.
Okay.
Thank you, my brother. Clovis, they were committed for Cameroon. I will give you some mimbo way. You will drink that mimbo and after I will Kenya last. Because you try it.
Okay, thank you.
Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah, good afternoon.
Yeah, hello.
Yeah, good afternoon. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Mm-hmm. I listen you, my brother. You don't you live.
Now we need a party.
Now we the party this.
Okay. I said you did pick that Clovis call. It want try for educate you. If you over know why they be free enter Amber.
No, kill me, oh. Now, it tell me no. I never man do man up pick my call. I pick all man call. Many man give his own idea. You understand me? I hope say you get me. Hello? Mo take different man. The one at Cameroon, man take Cameroon small. Hello? 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 Hello?
Hello.
Hello? I'm getting you, please. Are you getting me?
We need a party.
Yes. They're listing you, my brother.
Okay, my brother. I saw salute for sorry day.
I throw you 100 salute.
Yes. I want first of all react for Clovis because when you talk, you come for this show. Never say me all man actually contribute for what to it happen on ground.
Yeah. Now the men that some people they come for you now. They come for you now for come show now.
It means that themselves be really maroon. They be fools. They fool themselves. Who the fool who for this struggle? Now who the fool? They not tie Clovis the eye for go join Amber. Amber na me and you and Clovis. But they decide any man where if a Southern Cameroon and Amber.
But nothing way they don't know.
No, be some particular people them, like how we hear say for North, he get Boko Haram. Amber na any man where they talk English for Southern Cameroon.
Yeah.
As you be Southern Cameroonian, you be an Amber.
Yeah.
This back. He and Amber, all the people the way in mention are all, they are all black legs. They are all, in fact, they pack their bags, come out. Me they locked their mob. If the fight don't pass them, me they locked their mob. The real fighters they did for down. The real fighter, if they fight don't pass them, may they close their mouth. I know get plenty for talk. I listen to you every blessed day.
Thank you, my brother.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
I know for talk.
You see, how can you call? This is the number here. You can join this number and call. You can call from this number, okay? We still have again about 15 minutes. So you can call. You can call from this number. Me, I take any man for you. May any man give a point. No come insult me. I don't want to insult no man. Because me, for come insult me, because me I feel be, I no grow fine. I no grow me for some block house. I grow for Carabao house. So my own education, bad pass all man education. I already take you now, Perica. I mean, I don't take you, Perica. No, I don't take you. I don't take you now, Perica. Slow your volume for that sign, no.
Hello, Gary.
I don't take you now, Perica. You should say stop your call again. I don't take you. Then I say you don't come again. Bon, anyhow it day. Oh no, Moku take different man because man I know. Man they give. I want people that will talk sense at least. No, the young guys. Okay, Moku take Moku listening for 2 minutes again. Yes, they listen you. They listen you 2 minutes. No, because when I call after they want to make you talk something reasonable, but no one talk something reasonable. I talk now on our own sabi.
You say all my opinion count. If someone talk
yeah, opinion I can't tell me for you say Amba they don't kill, Amba they don't do that, Amba they don't do that. Yeah, all opinion that all man they know. Talk they listening you. Are they listening you? You need talk louder now. You talk small. None of me talk. You don't have for crowd.
Any man we know say no, he over and like Amber. Make can join the Amber. Or
okay.
Any man vex the Amber, they drop their gun. Make can carry the gun.
No man over vex it. No man over vex it. Amber they drop their gun. No man over vex. You don't listen who vex Amber, you drop your gun. No man over vex. Man take this man because you already talk. Man take this man. The man they call sins where you talk. No, you know you got nothing for talk. Any man where you don't talk. Hello. This man in phone too has some phone where they take you 200 times your phone in the pass. So no man never vex say Amber leave it gone. No man never vex. Any man get your opinion. So any man way might take this man because you they take your phone in the pass. Hello.
Well, really, greetings, Allah.
Yes. Now I know my brother.
Yeah, I know better. I share for the work.
I share, Papa. No, thank you very much.
I go talk small for long.
When
this small picking them, when this small picking them long come, they call you for line, call the God. And they look then they really surprised, they wonder for them. First, I say now few people them where they don't deflect, where they be being at this thing, they be being a higher people them for the struggle. First, I say any of them where they don't deflect. When this thing will start, from that 1st October, we go for outside Google match. None of them no be there inside. Any man will not deflect from this struggle now because if you see the gain where it takes if he make up. And because they become in because of that ideology for make gain. Now why that government buy them off the struggle immediately? Or they number them, they clothes them, they cover them.
Yeah.
Just to name a few. First, I say plenty people them feel say this struggle an ideology. It not be ideology. Nothing where it belong be for existence. And now why that they don't feel kill out?
Nothing where they don't know. Nothing where they don't know.
Yeah. Even if it be an ideology, just the fact say two people they launch up and they know say now the thing that way they want them. It won't ever continue. Secondly, I say all these people when they come, they don't bribe them with few cash them, they go to the DDR center. Most of them don't know where to be freedom and the cost of freedom. And they don't know where to be independent. Even French Cameroon as a whole no get independent till today. Yeah. They forget say few people them they for government, they feel work make some more propaganda them work with the government for Cameroon. Now government when you get the assets for the government, you work for job for your own self. Nobody say you work now for the government.
But would you see where nobody see where the man did one today? The man for SDF.
Yeah. Yes. Well, even the people them where they be there for SDF, plenty people them for 92, plenty people them die for Bamenda as a whole and Southwest because of SDF. Because for Nijon, but at the end wait to eat one. But you check say if you predecessor or if it behave so, it change anything from which way or see Joshua they do am now. There's no difference. So even the people then where they don't deflect now, even that the same thing that because their ideology at the first point we been for thief, they be checking and say they struggle that thing way they be get to go enrich themselves. And even this talk where they talk am, you know, be only for the people then where they don't deflect. Even the people where they see they or they struggle, they check and say they get to enrich themselves where people and they die. They get to enrich themselves now for blood for people and where they die for ground zero. Because when the military man come for one gang, you know, they check and say you hold on. When they go for gang and born money house, they know they check and say they want to fight their house or they want to be fighter. So any person when he get that kind of ideology, then we close them would not better than get them. Close this the one talk. Now said when people don't be bound for no get knowledge, even knowledge no between where they get and only for school. You know say that picking already missed the track because they are you take say you will key this thing they close this key how many military people then. Or if you want to tell you say no key military people then that means from the onset if they work now for government. So it takes you key 10, 20 military people then for government, then government take a year and the wine, then one day they go cause say they don't integrity. They open their fangs for the place, they check say that's on better thing. Now better long key how many. You still order their cycle then would Yanigi and Kawa. No be the other time they did for DDR to center the cry. Better be there for day before they cry. Any man wait there for this fight. If you don't tire for fight, go for ground one, go rest. Any person will be enter for this fight with the genuine heart. You see your own prospect for field, you know, say he enter. Well, now you want it for day, they make all this activism. So now say you don't take some one fight for some person before you do it. Now because you know which way the struggle be about, and you know say it no be nothing way it be na just cause even for the people that where they dey for ground. Excuse you dey for day so now say you chop na the government the money, or you dey live na for house where they for the government for the government the land. Yes, sir. But you dey fight na for people where they dey back home. So when these few pocket people they don't come. When they shidong, they hear say the long military, or they want to say they know the year. They know. Me no be say when they key one amber fighter, the government take and brandish and be there and say they key 20. For all this while along the year, the Polo News them, the government they talk say they attacked 2 camp. From 2018, government they attacked at 2 camp and they key at 13 amber then. You know when I check say free no go school, they know the ritual, I don't understand. But when I don't understand, when they key military man, government they hide them. But okay, just today, along they get information for Syria, they say, Bamenda be shot abruptly. Then they check say problem no day before the Bamenda they shot abruptly. Voila. So me they stop that thing there. Thank you very much, really. Just continue for their activism and may God give you power. Me these people, and when this small picking and comes, they don't even respect their big brother. They don't feel say as they get 100 phone, they feel put small that was 250, they feel coach any man as will. But God they will get them with our brother.
Now one spirit, my brother.
Yeah.
Take care. Okay. I don't come into the final part. But if I don't take una I still come again. I don't take una. I still una who don't pay una make una come begin do propaganda. Una who don't pay una who the pay this begin them. Who the pay the either. Perika na who the pay una who the give una money make una do propaganda. I don't take you. You already give your own. You want come back again. Oh, Perika them.
Now why I want to understand me. Yeah, wait. I talk to you.
You return for who them? Wait, don't you una? You want na my phone this. Now they made a call.
No, because so I meant they la call after they started talk away about Meleke wait. Yeah, wait. I say we want go declare.
No bring up.
No, they said to about Meleke. And the people they don't ask you. You see the last caller now.
I know one me code no nothing for you. I don't want to talk about anything about Meleke. Now me I tell you say you be Bamileke.
Exactly. But I to say and what you're doing I say once you caller they call you get right to for them call you be like that and you get wisdom. For example, I explain for you very well. I talk something about we but they don't understand me. I not talk say people not get right for fight. But you get for think before people want go into war. Now why the way you see European war they different. Now strategy. They don't come closer they will keep their civilians. We go work go talk for parliament. You know think about mammy for village. You be say so if you be smart and way you call and but they will say, hey, baby, talk continue. Would one go find also will keep our mammy them. Now one point that it be very important. You not misquote me.
Look at the two ways I say you don't understand what you mean revolution. You if you say revolution about
I understand the revolution.
No, you if you say no, you if you say revolution a Bible, we must read them. give for another man.
So many people left their picking them too for that land. They don't send their picking for Douala Yaoundé. Now the man the way he go reserve where he say Valerie which we go to interview for Prime TV. He picking them there for Douala. What is this gang? You know, fool now. Now say they fool now.
No, the matter I say, you know that's how you make revolution. When you understand them, you
so
will get them better.
So me poor that picking them suffer. Them the rich one they send their picking them.
Who be poor?
Now so revolution me.
Me say I be poor man in begin or I be rich man in begin. Ma take this man, the man they call.
So the poor one, they who don't think about them. Now say we
take this man. Ma take this man to
Perica. People think about the mommy the village.
Ma take this man to the man they call.
Okay.
Where my Perica them? Yes, hello. I hope say now so you go pass because their number you don't have a call. They take any pass.
Yeah. Evening, Gawili.
Evening, Papa. Now for you.
Oh, we thank God to a day cool.
They're listing you.
You get me?
They're listing you.
Yes, that's it. When they talk of revolution, some people will not understand what it means by revolution.
I know.
You see like this Clovis is just a young petite frère when this Tramadol Banga don't push into that issue. Then he find himself now in the situation where you don't get which we got in this hot place. Yeah, when they talk of revolution, you go see like what La Republic don't do. Where they don't start to kill people. Wake up with the Amber. They also say, no, we don't want La Republic. Now, we the Amber, they don't wake up, we take up our arms. We start full support to the Amber people. Whoa, the Amber and Nantu don't turn say, no, they kill some of us. We don't wake up say, no, we want back La Republic people, better than La Republic. That's what they call revolution. They think the thing will just go all that way the way we would think say it will go. You will see this side, they will wake up blame this side, they wake up blame this side. So now so it happen. But for those Amber boys, like which way some of them they do them now, because most this thing they happen now for Southwest. Because I just come out Cameroon. That boy didn't carry me enter for bush and you know if you imagine Papa.
They carry enter bush.
They carry me enter for bush. Any man we there for abroad, just you don't make mob. May be careful when you go for down there. They go know which way they. Some of those boys they all that way they make as well to get money to live because which way the leaders and don't for update they do. They don't push some of those boys them for they do this kind of act and kidnap people, ask a ransom, all that kind of stuff. We no fine. No fine so.
My brother,
so all of us
no man no like war.
Yeah.
If you finish today, all man go glad. Yeah, no. If you finish today, all man go glad.
Finish today, all man go glad.
Voila. So the matter with them and say, we get my problem. Now say, then if you come, kidnap or picking them, rape a woman them, born or picking them, do everything, and then now we will come back against the no master. One live we in peace, one live we in peace, one live. Look at the thing. They pain me. If they say, your picking go tell you say I not get money for go school. And then you not find solution, and then you want me reach school. I don't understand.
Massa. Now until like dog way don't vomit, go back to lick the vomit. Ça ne vaut pas la peine.
Voilà. So me, like people that they misquote me, they feel sometimes say me I not there with nobody. I dey fight na my pain where I dey feel am to the bottom of my heart. Now I dey fight them, and I dey fight them. How I dey fight them for the level I get to fight them. So now so this well.
Yeah.
Okay, ma take the
phone. Now La Republic is. Okay, thanks very much.
Yes, hello.
Hello.
Yes, hello, Papa.
Okay, Willie.
Yeah.
Well, I want to throw in some small light before your show closes.
Mm-hmm.
You know, from the beginning when this thing starts, where I hear some person can't talk, say they not declare war on us, they not declare war on us. From the beginning, when this thing it start, I think for November
President Biya declare war on the English people then. If you say Amber na all man. It starts where we deal with peace plan for our hand. No man will be making idea for whole God.
Yeah.
The gun start where the start will fix them. Because the brutality become plenty. Knife enter, then guns enter. They intensify their killing and rape and mass burning. Bury people that are alive. Destroy so many lives. Now for the way they see gun enter now inside the issue. So person who come talk say we but not be think about where you go keep the people then. Were the Saudi Cameroonians prepared for the war? Yes or no? Now no. Which way would they do it? Would they do an offensive? Would they protect? Now revolution. Infiltrator don't enter inside, pay agent don't enter inside, but this guy like ambassador. They don't even know why when they bring in an idea of stabilization force, where the integrated person belongs to the group. So that if any crime be posted inside that territory, they go channel directly for the head of that group. But I want all those Clovis, all the Namberes, and all the other people to make the one thing say, this is a no blink generation. We will not blink. We must see the end for this thing. This generation, so we it don't stand up. So how many generations we don't kill a donkey, don't kill so many? In days of NCNC, they don't kill how many? They shut their mouth all. Even President Paul Biya go for France, he don't struggle to assimilate Anglophones them. They don't ever ask you why he give that statement. They know the meaning of assimilate?
Not true.
They know the meaning of assimilate? So you try to make person maybe under you way, you know, belong under you, belong for your house. You try to take your neighbor, you begin for a house, me be a begin.
That is it.
By force.
That is the word.
By force, but it resist. Say no, you are not my father. It belongs to you. But you take it by force, you beat it, torture it, you ultimately fear. If today Clovis and the Wuko didn't make noise, they talk all those their things and say maybe population will be with them, be with the armor boys that when the thing be start. Yes, it will start because by then the military know to actually intensify their killing and burning. If population don't enter inside their shells now, where all man is support now underground, now because they don't throw ammo cars inside Saudi Cameroon. Throw more guns, they throw so many bad things away. People they fear enough for show up.
Never I tell someone and say, you know what you mean? A beggar have no choice.
It's true.
A beggar have no choice.
A beggar have no choice, bro. A beggar have no choice. They don't get choice now.
Voila.
They don't get choice now.
So
if you go for inside villages, then inside villages, then they go tell you say they no one like the people. Cause now to me, go make all this thing conference. He said come in open and up say mostly on 70% of Anglophones, South Cameroon, they want independence.
Yes. He talk him.
Why they no cash kill you when he be talk so?
Voila.
Why kill you?
Some man they already call. Ma take it to just drop.
Okay, bro. Sorry, bro.
Yeah. Ma take this man over call. This man over call. Hello.
Hello.
Yes. Hello. Good afternoon. Maybe you'll be the last caller. I did listen you, Papa. Slow your volume for that another side. You see, you call the listing you, but I say you listen now for your own television. The way you want a normal television where any man get to buy into. So anyhow, they may I tell you I say no man no like the level for the listing way they. But if you say it can happen, say una they deny say maybe people they know she don't down discuss. If they know she don't down discuss, how una want to make it finish? But if I was waiting, say una live, una come, una come. May una come, government don't hear, una cry. Government, no, so that they are arranging them. Not so that they are arranging them. But I don't take you. Hello, I don't take you.
Hello?
Yes, slow your volume for the other side. They're listing you, Papa.
Okay. Yeah, Grand Wally.
Yeah, now Willie. Or you call me Amber Boy, that's my
name. Yeah, I call so now for that very periphery, they call them so, that Clovis.
when they shit on for Cameroon, they talk say we would be outside there, so no more come for ground zero, go for fight. If you say they fight now, they start up. When they talk to me, they come back, they eat there for that boy, I eat there for this, so you get common ID card. When sometimes they pay for the show, so they don't all that things they do for boy, all that things they make and so with Clovis, Yambere, as they talk, so all we would see what you did, they do with them. Me no mean say as no day for ground zero, I so only to see what you did pass with all we would see what you did pass.
Now the matter that.
But when people just show up, they say this or the government, when it talks to government, the struggle always mean the fight finish. Government, the fight is strong enough for which way? You know how many brothers they don't lose them from zero? So some kind of day when they talk, sometimes when my one come for your phone or come for line for talk anything, I find me. I let me check and find. I leave wrong laws or brother, wrong laws or sister the way. And military can't shoot enough for your phone so it's the I'm not something. Me, I come also been a driver for that very road the car. So, but man, that man feel I will be the runner. But come on, country, no, say a day, even for country, they fine. But now for the condition for the pay.
Now the matter that may they finish the war and then now may can be say.
When does the war on finish already very today? So what happen? What happen for old church?
No,
So when something there, so when my one can talk something, me talk to him at least if he left the situation with the first time now, so me just she want to begin talk anything if you talk correct.
No, the lack of respect though. But can't tell me say overdo, I no get sense.
Me what sense it day for boy, it day under government. Wait till government run jam for them. Wait till day with the government fit jam with me encourage our guy they for come out for bush come see me they come for outside.
Now the matter that.
And when anyone talk, even the talk of government or who, even the Amber boys they ever call them Atanganji get on Amber boys them. So when they talk destruction for Amber boys them, most of the destruction them and you look at the one for minister for Atanganji Paul. Not something they hide them. No money they hide face for this thing now. So.
Now the matter that.
So when you want to talk, when any mama can bring something, we can't talk more talk na the children there for ground. It also people the day with the own car picking the go on for Douala car picking go on for inside they go school. They at least the community school they try their own level. They fit try for teach the small picking the small one they picking the field now. Even COVID-19 too they disturb the most of the parts of me picking they no go school.
Not true, Papa. Not true.
So when that kind of color one distract or some kind of thing they will do for outside so man they see fine. But when man they see what you the pass for pay, man run a bullet.
No, what that.
So sometimes when man want to talk something, me talk nothing. If like even today, so if the thing finish today, so we will be now the first people that for land for airport for come out. But if I say we not don't want enter Cameroon, Bagman would enter na through Nigeria at least. Now the thing that is saying with the overvex. Yes. No, because when man don't talk something, me talk to me at least. If he help the government, me man not support government for what you government do. Think government do no fine. Fight this time for outside. Now for road we get and for.
Take this like caller to me talk to.
No problem.
Okay, Papa, thank you. Take you to last caller. May talk your own. Hello.
Yeah, hello, Grand Willie.
Yes.
Yes, I'm just so happy say I don't get, this opportunity for contribute for this show. I'll be one of your silent followers the way you don't follow to what you do, and I want first what there is they do very well, because your voice it really help, for give people them for down, especially those boys them courage, it give them hope. So thank you for that one. So I will just respond to all the callers the way I don't hear they don't contribute today. So I will just respond across. So I beg you give me a little bit of time.
Talk, they listen you.
Yeah, some caller be the talk of first of all say president no be declare war, but President no suppose to just can't declare war openly like that, because from all way to it happen. If you look at very well, the people that don't kill him, especially for Ground Zero Day, you should say the kill, it was just indiscriminate killing. So if they be only the killing at the restoration forces them or the Amber Boys them, it will be okay. Say okay, they declare one only for Amber Boys, but they kill up plus picking them. I mean, picking them as little way, you don't even know nothing. When you never even start creep, they'll just shoot and blow a head. That one means wait to that. So that caller, we talk say president no declare war. He give for real understand say war no mean as saying you can't declare openly, you know. But from their action, that we don't know say they declare war now for all my way that part of the country.
Yeah.
So yes, then okay. So other caller, he talk of Wiba he contribution. Where Wiba, where he talk, I believe say now one of the people they don't really open up a lot. They don't give that courage for people then to fight.
Yeah.
Because if they really be talk, we know for really know a lot in the way they happen for that country. But the fact that he talk, he open up a lot. And then I want to ask all man where he fight, whether he fight now for government, especially those where they did for that DDR center now, like that Clovis. I don't say you listen to me, Clovis. If today or tomorrow, this country it can get some sort of peace, you know, because after everything, they can't get a position where they will put people down for down, they will talk and they will solve the problem. Which side this people where they fight now against these boys them, where they give their life, they go be now for which side? Because if this country don't find tomorrow, now people the way they don't give their life for, they don't fight. And some call up the talk of how the Amber Boys they commit atrocity. Obviously, yes, they get excess, they get they don't do it, not correct, and no man they support that. Even you, I know say you need to support that one, but even for year what day, this country are they now so UK the country the fight some soldiers they go commit atrocity for Iraq, even to American soldiers they persecute them. But they get to understand say some soldiers they go for war fraud, they do things the way even the people the way where they be maybe responsible for them, they need to be in support of, but just their actions then. So maybe people they get this thing straight. Say once as everything go don't come to a position where whether a federation, whether not independent, you will the fight for federation. Concentrate the fight for your federation. You will the fight for your separation. Concentrate to the fight now for your independence. But when I want there for middle, when I fight people the way they give their life for this thing, at the end of it, I don't know who someone will be, because now the people they don't fight. Because if anything happens, now they one way they don't fight to give that position. For the talk way will happen where they will down come to the position where they will say, okay, may they go to the root cause of this problem. So may any man knows how where he fight for. Choose your position wisely, because after everything, we will know who be who. Because all the one they fight now, so especially when they do DDR center, at the end of it, we will know their position, because may no can't take glory for two they no be fight for. You understand? So any man know a position. If you fight for DDR, you know say you fighting now for government, because you not even support the way government you do. Government you do things the year. Government if the soldiers them, if you see the most of the atrocities the way they don't commit them. Now, government soldiers don't commit more of these atrocities against our own people. Amber Boys don't commit, yes, we know, but the kind of way they do them, not the way soldiers they do them. So you know if you compare to way Amber Boys they do with the way soldiers they do. Amber Boys they need to go bomb people their houses. You understand? So one day some of these Amber Boys they do things the way not just because maybe some people they don't push them. For instance, if we just was on place with the fight, and also the person there sometimes they fight against we, maybe it go leave secret. If it be forced to do some kind of thing for harm that person, why the person able to fight against you first the way you fight now for them? You understand?
Yeah.
So I want to just thank you very much for what you do. May continue to do. May give a position for other people to talk to.
Thank you very much.
Thank
you very much. Take care. That will be the last caller of the day. So, my brother, make a tell us something. Me, my name, Nanjoku Chamaria. My name, Nanjoku Chamaria. The love where I get them for now is too much. I don't hate nobody. But the position we're there now, if any English Southern Cameroon feel say they will just stop this matter, just stop and so because say they will come accuse our own guys and say na banga they smoke and before they go begin to do. No, I don't want to hear that one. Those guys were fighting because something happened into that place, and they are continuing to fight because there is no arrangement. And when they will arrange them, any man will be okay. But for the moment, my guys, near the owner, I greet you now. I don't know how I do work up today, but I know say God, the Almighty God, bless everybody and give power for the one the way they need power. The one there for prison, I give you now my heart. Now the only thing that I feel do, because me too, my own life now for God I live am. But we will continue to pray God because now he be machine. We will continue to praise the God because now he will come into this problem and bring solution. How I be singer one day, no matter how it will come, the trumpet will blow and everybody will see the sun, and we shall be in the light of God. I love you so much. If you don't know me, call me Willie the Party. For those who know me, call me Mofo. That's my name. Ciao, ciao. Take care of your life. I love you all. Now I have to go because I have something to do in about 10 minutes. So we are together. Until the next time.